Hey, Joseph59 here. Today I just want to give a huge thank you out for hitting 2,000 subscribers. I am so thankful for you guys subscribing and checking out my videos and sharing them. Please continue to do so. I am so grateful. Also want to give a huge thank you out to G. I don't know if I'm saying his name correctly. Apologize on that. He is a founder of the Feed Spot, which is the top 100 woodworking channels, and I was ranked at 97, and I am so honored to be a part of that, and thank you so much. Check out, all the description links are below, so check that out. There are amazing other woodworkers out there. Also check out Size Corner. Thank you to her for posting my projects that I have sent to her. She is an amazing Intarsia woodworker. Check her out. She's awesome. And like I said, there's so many other great woodworkers out there. It's amazing just to be a part of that as well. I'll just give you guys a quick picture here. I don't have a video, unfortunately, of this project. I did kind of build it in the winter time, which I normally don't because it does get really cold here in Canada. But here's the photo of a desk that I finished built. It was a angle desk that somebody wanted me to build for them. They are a gamer, so they've got lots of monitors on when they're gaming, and it's quite a large desk. It was a little challenge for me, but it was an awesome outcome. The person is going to stain it and clear coat it themselves. Thank you guys so much again for everything, and I'll see you guys next time when I post a video. Thanks again, everyone. Take care. Thanks for checking out this video. All links are in the description below for this video. Definitely subscribe for more videos just like this. Don't forget to share this video and post your comments below. Some of the best tips and feedback come from you. Thanks for watching.